Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Today we are here in the garden. It's a really beautiful day today. Really beautiful. The sun is shining. So we thought we'd do a little bit of gardening. So we're going to plant some beautiful flowers. Can you sign flowers? Beautiful. Right, can you dig me a little hole, please? Can you dig? We've got some nice primroses to plant. That's it, perfect. So we're going to put that one in. Lovely. Another one. Plants. Plants. Really good signing. Can you dig me another hole, please? So, dig? Oh, perfect. Lovely. Let's pop in that one. Really nice. Really lovely. Don't they look beautiful? Next, we're going to plant some bulbs. Yeah, bulb. Nice signing. Bulb. Should we have a look at them? These are gladioli. Yeah, these are beautiful when they're grown. You see them? They're bulbs. Yeah, they're fantastic. These are. So we have a bulb. Okay, where's your trowel? Can you dig me some more holes, baby girl? Can you dig some holes so we can plant them? That's it, lovely. Do you want to pop that one in? Okay, I'm going to dig a little hole. That's it. So they've got to have the pointy bit up. That's it. Really nice. Okay. I'm going to put that one in. That's it. Oh, I'm going to chuck that one in. Oh, it landed the right way. Well done. Next, we have some seeds. Can you sign seeds? So we've got some sunflowers. Some seeds. Let's have a look at these. They will be absolutely beautiful. Sunflowers are my favourite. Let's have a look. Shall we show them? There they are. Some seeds. So it says that we need to plant 2 or 3 together. So they like to have a friend. Here we go. Do you want to put those in? You can just push these in. Oh, have you dropped them? Can you get a few more? That's it. Lovely. Sowing our seeds. Do a few more. That's it. Lovely. So put 2 or 3 together. Should we pop another one? Should we give him a friend? Lovely. Fantastic. Lucinda and I have added some more soil. Soil. Good signing. You know, some soil. Soil. Next, they need some sunshine. Can you sign sunshine? That's it. Should we keep our fingers crossed for sunshine? Yes. Fingers crossed. And they need some water. Some water. Yep, brilliant. You're going to water yours? Oh, lots of water. So they need sunshine and water. That's it, well done. Lovely. And now we need to wait. They take a bit of time, don't they? Some time, yes. We need to wait for them to grow. Really good signing. To grow. And then hopefully we'll see some beautiful flowers. I can't wait for the sunflowers, they're my favourite.
I know.
Bye. See you soon.